Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Am I audible? Hello. Yeah, am I audible? Sangeeta, Jayashree, Ramesh. Hello. Hello.
Yes, Anji.
Okay, fine. So in today class, we are going to discuss about service catalog. Okay. So we have a lot of theory with service catalog and workflow. So I have already written the theory part into the notepad. We can look into that. Okay. Yes. So you can say service catalog provides the self-service opportunities to order a product or service. Okay. Service catalog provides the self-service opportunities to order a product or service within the organization. Okay. Service catalog provides a self-service opportunities to order a product or service within the organization. So for example, we have many e-commerce websites. So whatever the product we want, yes, we are able to order. Okay, like in the Amazon, in the Flipkart, like this, we have many websites. So if we want to order any product or service within the organization, so we have to use service catalogs. So we have to use service catalogs. For example, when an employee newly joined into the organization, maybe he required one laptop. Yes, he has to raise a request from the service catalog. Maybe he required a access card. He has to raise a request for access card. Okay, this can be done by using the service catalog. From the service catalogs, we can do. Okay, service catalog provides self-service opportunities to order a product or service within the organization. Okay, service catalog application create service catalogs that provide our customers with self-service opportunities. Okay, service catalog application create service catalogs that provides your customers with self-service opportunities. Customized portals where your customers can request catalog items such as a service and product offerings. So customized portals where your customers can request catalog items such as service and product offerings. You can also standardize request fulfillment to ensure the accuracy and availability of the items in the catalogs. Okay, you can also standardize request fulfillment to ensure the accuracy and availability of the items in the catalogs. Okay, so finally, service catalog application creates service catalogs that provides your customers with self-service opportunities. Customized portals where your customers can request catalog items such as service and product offerings. You can also standardize the request fulfillment to ensure that the accuracy and availability of the items in the catalogs. Okay, so what is catalog? What is catalog? For example, you want to order a one mobile phone. Okay, that mobile phone itself catalog. Okay, you want to order one standard desktop. That should be a catalog in the service catalog. Okay, everybody got it? So service catalog provides self-service opportunities to order a product or service within the organization. Next. So there are four types of service catalogs are available. There are four types of service catalogs available. Catalog item, record producer, order guide, and content type. There are four types of catalog items are there. Catalog item, record producer, order guide, and content item. Okay, there are four types. What is catalog item? What is catalog item? Catalog item can be a goods or service. Catalog item can be a goods or service. Catalog item can be a goods or service. Okay. So if we are raising service request, that is a catalog item. If we are raising a product, if we are raising to order a product, that is catalog item. Okay. So a catalog item can be a goods or service. A catalog item can be a goods or service. Next, record producer. A record producer is a specific type of catalog item that allows end users to create a task-based records. A record producer is a specific type of catalog item that allows end users to create a task-based records, such as incident records from the service catalog. Such as incident records from the service catalog. For example, if we are working in real-time environment, so everybody in the organization have access to Servicenow. Everybody in the organization have access to Servicenow. Okay. So based upon their designations, so they have the level of access. Okay. For example, we have end users. They don't know anything about Servicenow. We have end users. Generally, end users, they don't know anything about Servicenow. They have to raise the incident. They got an issue. They have to raise the incident. They have to raise the incident. So, but they don't know anything about Servicenow. How they are able to raise the incident? By using this record producer, they will raise the incident easily from the service portal. Okay. So service portal should be like a website. Service portal should be like a website. Okay. So all end users will raise their tickets from the service portal itself. They want to create any incident, they will create an instance, or they will raise the instance from the record producer. Okay. Yeah. Order guide. What is order guide? Order guide submits a single service catalog request that generates several items. Order guide submits a single service catalog request that generates several items. Okay. So generally, if you want to submit multiple items within the single order, yes, we'll use the order guide. For example, we have new employee joining. We have new employee onboarding. Okay. Whenever the new employee joined in the organization, on first day itself, organization has to provide laptop to him. Based upon his work, we have to install some software. We have to provide water bottle, ID card, access card. So we have to provide many things. Okay. So we'll combine all these catalog items into one. That is, we are calling as order guide, and we will submit as a single request. Then it will generate all the requests within the one order guide. Okay. Next, content item. A content item is a service catalog item that provides information instead of goods or service. Okay. So for example, content item is a service catalog item that provides information instead of goods or service. Instead of goods or service. Generally, if you go to the any applications, even Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any websites, Okay, they have some user manuals how to register into ServiceNow. Okay, how to log in into ServiceNow, how to change a password. We have some user manuals. So that kind of user manuals will create by using the content item. Okay, so instead of goods or service, we'll provide a information within the content item. Okay, a content item is a service catalog item that provides information instead of goods or service, that provides information instead of goods or service. Okay, so any queries up to now, please let me know. Service catalog is a very important concept. So guys, from my entire experience, almost for 1 year, completely I worked on service catalogs only. Completely I worked on service catalogs only. In the current organization also, up to 70% I'm working on service catalogs only. Okay. So within the service catalogs, we will touch all the concepts basically. Okay. It is that much very important. Okay. Yes, you have any queries, please let me know. So few tables involved in the service catalog. What are the tables we will use in service catalog? You can look into it. Okay. Request, request, a request table name is sc underscore request. Request table name is sc underscore request. Requested item sc underscore req underscore item. Requested item table name is sc underscore req underscore item. Catalog task. Catalog task table name is sc underscore task. Catalog task name is sc underscore task. Catalog item sc underscore cat underscore item. sc underscore cat underscore item. Record producer sc underscore cat underscore item underscore producer. Record producer sc underscore cat underscore item underscore producer. Order guide sc underscore cat underscore item underscore guide. Order guide table name is sc underscore cat underscore item underscore guide. So content item sc underscore cat underscore item underscore content. Okay, content item sc underscore cat underscore item underscore content. Categories sc underscore category. Categories table name is sc underscore category. Catalogs sc underscore catalog. Catalogs table name is sc underscore catalogs. Next, user criteria. User criteria table name is user underscore criteria. User criteria table name is user underscore criteria. Variables. Variables table name is item underscore option underscore new. Item underscore option underscore new. Variables table name is item underscore option underscore new. Variable set. Variable set. So item underscore option underscore new underscore set. Variable set table name is item underscore option underscore new underscore set. Okay, this is variable set table name. Next, catalog client script. Catalog client scripts table name catalog underscore script underscore client. Catalog underscore script underscore client. Catalog giveaway policy. Catalog giveaway policy table name should be like catalog underscore UI underscore policy. Catalog underscore UI underscore policy. Next, catalog UI policy actions. Catalog underscore UI underscore policy underscore action. Catalog UI policy action. Catalog underscore UI underscore policy underscore action. Workflow WF underscore workflow. Workflow table name is WF underscore workflow. Okay, these are the few tables involved in the service catalog concepts. So, and most of the service catalog concepts starts with sc underscore. Most of the service catalog table name starts with sc underscore. Okay, so you can see all service catalog table names is starts with SC underscore only. You can see these all are starts with SC underscore only. Okay. Yes. If the table name starts with SC underscore, yes, the table is involving in the service catalog concept. Yes. Guys, for 1 or 2 minutes, please please read this content and this table names. I will keep on hold for 2 minutes. Please try to read it. Hello. I hope everybody read the content and the table names. Now I'm going to show you one catalog item, how the catalog item looks like, and how the catalog item variables and all are created in the service catalog. Okay. Yes. Am I audible?
అంజీ సార్ ఇప్పుడేగా మీరు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఐ మీన్ 5 minutes.
No. I haven't talked. Actually, I went to
ఓకే
outside.
ఫైన్.
It's
ఓకే.
okay.
Yeah.
So you can see. Wait, it's loading. So here you can type service catalog. Okay. Wait, it's loading still. You can type service catalog. Under self-service, we have service catalog. Or we have service catalog application also. Okay. First of all, I'm opening service catalog under self-service. Here you can see you are able to see all the catalog items here. Okay. Under self-service, we have service catalog. I will note down here. Self-service, service catalog. Okay. Yes. Now you can see when we open this one. So what kind of service catalog you are going to request? So whether it is related to services or it is related to hardware or software or desktop or mobile phone. What is our catalog item related? Okay. So maybe my catalog item is related to mobiles. My catalog item is related to mobiles. So you can see here it will display all kind of mobiles available in our organization. So Apple iPhone 13, Apple iPhone 13 Pro, so Galaxy Note 20, Pixel 4a, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. Okay, these are the catalog. These are the mobile phones available in my organization, for example. Okay, so if you want to order any item, yes, you can able to order. For example, I'm going to services. I want to do something, some services. You can see. So I require some software. Okay, so that I'm raising a request, install a software. Okay, you can see. What software do you need install? Maybe Eclipse editor software I need. Do you have the software media desk? Yes, I'm ordering now. Now you can see, for example, I'm ordering this install software catalog item. Yes. Okay, item is ordered. So this request number should be a order ID. This request number should be a order ID. When you click here, you are able to see the item ID. Okay, requested item ID. So the request we submitted successfully. Install a software request we submitted successfully. Okay. Yes, like this, we will submit a catalog item request. And you can see next under service catalog, I'm going to maintain items. So you can see maintain items. Where it is? You can see under service catalog, we have catalog definition. Under catalog definition, we have maintain items. You can see. I will note down this one also. Under service catalog, we have catalog definition. For catalog definition, we have maintain item. Okay. Yes. This is also one navigation. From here also, we can able to order a catalog items. For example, I want 1 minute. I want one laptop. Okay, I'm planning to order a laptop. Star LAP. So you can see, I want standard laptop. I'm ordering it. Wait, it's loading. Is my voice clear?
Yes, Sanjay sir.
Okay, fine. Now we can say I'm clicking on trying it. I'm clicking on try it. Wait, it's loading. Yes. Now you can say I'm ordering this laptop. So along with this laptop, you want any software? Yes. Maybe I want Adobe Photoshop and Adobe After Effects, and I'm ordering it. Then item will be ordered successfully. And there is another navigation. You can go to the service portal. You can type service portal. Yes. You can go to the service portal home. Okay. Yes. When you go to the service portal home, so in the top we have catalog. Here we have request something, or you can directly type your item name here. Anything is fine. For example, I'm clicking on catalog. I'm clicking on catalog. Okay. Yes. So here we will get browse by category. I'm clicking on browse by category. Okay. So here you can see, here you have multiple items: create instant, QuickTime Pro, iPad mini, standard laptop. So many catalog items are available here. Okay, whatever the catalog item you want, you can order. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So whatever the item you want to order, from here also you can order. Generally, in the real time, everyone order the catalog items from here only. From the service portal, everyone will order the catalog items mostly. Okay. Yes, I'm also copying this URL to here. Next. So I'm going to one catalog item. Okay, background of one catalog item. Maybe I'm taking standard laptop. You can come here. So you can see the catalog item form. We have catalog item name, what catalog it is, service catalog, what type of category it is. I have noted down all these table names. Okay. Yes, what type of category it is, and so item description. This is short description. This is the entire description of item. Even if you go to the Flipkart or Amazon, like this only, they will display the details. Okay, color is red, something like that. RAM is 15 GB, like that. Okay, process engine. In the process engine, we are using a workflow. Okay, our workflow name is service catalog item request. So pictures, if we have any that item related pictures, we will add here. So we will add that item related pricing here. And portal setting, we will discuss later. Okay. So in the service portal, what are the buttons we have to? For example, I'm opening a developer laptop catalog item here. Yes, it's loading. So here, this portal settings will tell us what type of buttons we have to display, whether the button should be like order or request or submit, and whether attachment is mandatory or you don't require attachment here. If you want to hide the quality, quantity, or delivery time, yes, you can able to do it from here. Okay. Yes. Now again, you can scroll down. So we have variables, label, checkbox, multi-line text. So whatever the options you are able to see here, those are the labels. You can see this is a label, this is a checkbox, this is also a checkbox, this is a string, single line text or multi-line text you can call. Okay, these all are the variables. Yes. Now I'm clicking on new button here. You can see I'm clicking on new button. So basically, variables will help us to describe the item, to ask the customer to choose his selections. Guys, if you go to Flipkart or Amazon or any other e-commerce website, if you are ordering for a mobile phone, they also will ask some questions. What color you required? What is the RAM you required? What is the ROM you required? Okay. So all these things there also will ask. So all those options will create by using these variables. Okay. Here you can see different types of variables. Attachment, break, checkbox, container start, end split, custom with label, date, time, duration, email, HTML, IP address, label, list collector, lookup multiple choice, lookup select box, mask, multi-line text, multiple choice, numeric scale, reference, requested for, rich text label, select box, single line text, UI page, URL, wide single line text, yes or no. Okay, these are the few types of variables. Okay, so now we will see the definition of variable. Now we will see the definition of variables. So can see variables allow you to specify a questions for a catalog item. Okay, variables allow you to specify a questions for catalog item. Within the service catalog item, you want to ask any questions like what color of phone you want, what is the internal storage you want, what is the RAM size you want. Okay, if you want to ask that kind of questions within the catalog item, yes, variables will help us. Variables allow you to specify a questions for your catalog item. Okay, so what is the table name for variables? Item underscore option underscore new. Item underscore option underscore new. Like type of variable, checkbox type. So I have noted down here few variable types we'll use regularly in the real time. Okay, checkbox, date, time, email, label, list collector, lookup multiple choice, lookup select box, multi-line text, multiple choice, reference, requested for, select box, single line text, URL, yes or no, container start, end split. Okay, so how we have data types like that in the catalog items, we have variable types. Okay, any queries up to here, please let me know.
No, Anji sir.
Okay, fine. And variable set, what is variable set? Variable set defines multiple catalog items that use the same group of service catalog variables. Okay, variable set defines multiple catalog items that use the same group of service catalog items. Okay, for example, we have mobile phones, we have laptops, related catalog items, maybe we have electrical access catalog items. Okay, so you can see if you go to the any catalog item, for example, we have different brands of mobile phones. You want to order the one mobile phone. If you go to any item, so few variables are common, right? For example, color, internal storage, RAM. For example, I'm talking about three variables. Three variables are common. So if you create these three variables in the variable set, you can use that variable set wherever you want. Okay, variable set defines multiple catalog items that uses the same group of service catalog variables. Okay, so for example, mobile phone 1, we have to create these three variables. Mobile phone 2, we have to create these three variables. Mobile phone 3, we have to create these three variables. So if we use the variable set, we don't require to create same kind of variables multiple times in the catalog items. Okay, we can create these variables in the variable set, and we can utilize these variables wherever we require. Okay, got it, everyone? Variable set defines multiple catalog items that uses the same group of service catalog variables. And you can see what is the variable set table name? Item underscore option underscore new underscore set. Item underscore option underscore new underscore set. This is the table name of variable set. There are two types of variable sets available. One is single row variable set. Another one is multi-row variable set. Single row variable set and multi-row variable set. There are two types of variable sets are there. Single row variable set and multi-row variable set. Okay. Yeah. Next, user criteria. What is user criteria? User criteria enables you to allow access to user based on role, department, group, location, company. Okay, for example, we worked with ACL concepts. So there what we did, yes, this particular catalog, this particular table only visible to this person, this particular field only visible to this person. Like that, if we want to display the catalog items based upon the user role, based upon the user's department, based upon his group, based upon the location, based upon the company, we will utilize the user criteria. Okay. User criteria enables you to allow access to users, okay, based upon the role, department, group, location, and company. Okay, based upon these details, you can able to provide the access to the catalog items. Which catalog items, whom to see the which catalog items. Okay, so a catalog items our chudali anedi. Okay, yes. So the navigation to user criteria is under service catalog, we have catalog definitions. Under catalog definitions, we have user criteria. Okay, guys, whatever the theory we are learning today class, we will discuss all these again with the whenever we are going to create a catalog items. Okay, from tomorrow onwards. Okay, again we will get all this information like user criteria, variable, set. Okay, we'll do the practically from the tomorrow class. Okay, yeah. Next, workflow. What is workflow? Workflow provides a drag and drop interface for automating multi-step process across the platform. Okay, workflow provides a drag and drop interface for automating multi-step process across the platform. Okay, so workflow is used for the automation within the Servicenow. Each workflow consists of a sequence of activities such as generating records, notifying users of pending approvals, or running scripts. The graphical workflow editor represents workflow visually as a type of flowchart. So you've already seen flow designer. So however, we have designed flow designer in same way we will design the workflows. Okay, so workflow is the so here you can say flow designer is extension to workflows. I can say. Okay, yes. So whatever the things we did in the flow designer, we can able to do within the workflow also. But flow designer contains the advanced options compared with workflows. Okay, yes. The graphical workflow editor represents a workflow visually as a type of flowchart. When you see the workflow, it will show as a flowchart. Okay, it shows activities as boxes labeled with information about the activity and transitions from one activity to the next as lines connecting the boxes. Okay, so you can see workflow provides a drag and drop interface for automating multi-step process across the platform. Workflow provides a drag and drop interface for automating multi-step process across the platform. Okay, each workflow consists of a sequence of activities such as generating a role, records, notifying a user for pending approvals, or running a scripts. Okay, the graphical workflow editor represents a workflow visually as a type of flowchart. Okay, if you see the workflow, it should be like a flowchart. It shows activities as the boxes. In the workflows, we have multiple workflow activities. That workflow activities show as boxes, and that boxes is connected with the transition lines. That boxes will be connected with the lines. Those lines we are calling as transition lines. Okay, yes. We'll go to the this URL. So you can see what is the navigation. Under workflow, we have workflow editor. Workflow table name is WF underscore workflow. WF underscore workflow. Now I'm going to this URL. I will show you how the workflow graphical representation and all. Okay, you can see. Right, it's loading. So I'm going to workflow editor here. Okay. I'm also copying this URL. This is also very important URL here. Now you can see the workflow structure should be like this. When you open workflow, the workflow structure should be like this. Okay. Yes. The workflow structure should be like this. Even I will open workflow here. So I'm typing workflow editor. Okay. Under workflow, we have workflow editor. I will open one sample workflow. You can say. Wait, it's loading. Okay. Now you can say, for example, I'm opening some change request, normal change related workflow. So we have discussed the change request, right? Yes, for that also we have workflow. You can see workflow should be like this. Workflow should be like this with the transitions. This is one workflow activity. This is one workflow activity. This is one workflow activity. This is one workflow activity, and all these workflow activities connected with some lines. Those lines we are calling as transition lines. In one interview, they have asked what they ask. So in the workflows, we have used multiple activities. Each activity is connected with the lines. What we call that line? Okay, at that time I don't know about that. So that is transition lines. Okay. Okay, fine. Next, you can see if you go to this URL. So published new workflow. Wait, I will open the screen. Published, checkout, help, new workflow code. What we will call each and every one. Okay, you can say one. List to display filters. We can say this as list to display filters. This area we are calling as list to display filters. Okay, this area we are calling as list to display filters. This one is, it is for new workflow. It is for new workflow, creating a new workflow. Okay. Yes. Third one is palette tabs. We are calling as palette tabs. Third one we are calling as palette tabs. Here workflows is one palette tab, core is one palette tab. Okay, these are the palette tabs. So if we go, so in the within this workflows palette tab, you are able to see all the workflows available in your organization. All the workflows available in your organization. If we go to the core, for example, if you go to the core, you are able to see all workflow activities. So for example, here I already opened workflow, right? So you can see in the core, it is showing all the workflow activities, approvals workflow activities, change policy workflow activities, conditions workflow activities, notification workflow activities, on call, service catalogs, uploads, tasks, timers, utilities. These all are the workflow activities basically. Okay. Yes. In the palette tabs, if it is a workflows, we are able to see all the workflows available in our organization. If it is a core, we are able to see workflow activities against our table. Okay, next. I'm scrolling down. So now we can see, if we see this screen, this screen should be this one. Okay, this screen and this screen both are same or not? Yes, both are same. Okay. Yes, this screen and this screen both are same. Now you can see. So here we are calling as canvas tabs. Here we are calling as canvas tabs. Here we are calling as canvas tabs. So this is a title bar. Here you can see change request standard something they are saying. So this is a title bar. This is a title bar. Okay. So you can see this editor we are calling as canvas. This editor we are calling as canvas. Okay. This editor we are calling as canvas. So this is the palette tabs. These are the palette tabs. Here we are calling as palette. Here we are calling as palette. Okay, this is very, very important to know these terminologies. Okay, so when the client planning to give a requirement, they will simply tell us, you can go to the canvas tabs, you can open this, that. They will say like that. So when they say like that, you have to understand. When you are able to understand, you know these terminologies, then only you are able to understand. Okay. Yes. Canvas tabs, title bar, palette tabs, palette and canvas. Okay. Yes. Next. Again, I'm scrolling. I think it is completed. Okay. The workflow editor should be like this. Okay. I hope everyone knows which area, what area we are calling as what. Okay. So ఏ ఏరియాని ఏమని కాల్ చేస్తున్నామో అందరికి అర్థమై ఉండొచ్చు. సో లిస్ట్ డిస్ప్లే ఫిల్టర్స్, న్యూ వర్క్ ఫ్లో, ప్యాలెట్ ట్యాబ్, నెక్స్ట్ canvas tabs, title bar, palette tabs, palette, canvas. These these lines we are calling as transition lines. Okay. Yes, perfect. Any queries from this editor? Tell me.
No, Anji sir.
Okay, perfect. Next. So next again, you can see the workflow definition again. Workflow provides a drag and drop interface for automating multi-step process across the platform. Okay, so here you can see, here we already opened workflow. Here we don't require to create anything. For example, in the approval activities, you require approval group activity. You can click on mouse pointer and you can just drag to this canvas. It will appear. Okay, now it is published. So it will not, if you want to add any items here, you have to check out here. Then only you are able to edit this workflow. Okay, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we are going to create a workflow. At that time, you will know how to drag and all. Okay. Yes. Workflow contains a drag and drop functionality. Workflow provides a drag and drop interface for automating multi-step process across the platform. Okay. Next. Each workflow consists of a sequence of activities. Each workflow consists of a sequence of activities such as generating a records, notifying users of pending approvals, or running scripts. Okay, each workflow consists of a sequence of activities such as generating records, notifying users of pending approvals, or running a scripts. Okay. The graphical workflow editor represents a workflow visually as a type of flowchart. You can see this workflow should be like a type of flowchart. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Next. It shows activities as the boxes labeled with information about the activity and transitions from one activity to the next as a line connecting the boxes. Okay. Each box has a workflow activity. Yes. What is the workflow table name? WF_workflow. What are the workflow activities we have? Approvals, conditions, notifications, tasks, timers, utilities, subflows, on-call, service catalog. These are the few workflow activities we have. So here you can see. So generally, what are the workflow activities we will use regularly in the real time? I will show you only that one. Okay. Approvals will use. So change policy. So within the only change request, we will use this one. Okay. In the change request only, we will use this one. Approval activities, conditional activities, notification activities, task activities, timer activities, utilities activities, on-call activities, service catalog activities, subflows activities. These are the workflow activities. So if we go to the approval activities, approval group, approval user, approval action, approval coordinator, generate activity, manual approvals, rollback. These all are the approval related activities. What are the approval activities we have? Approval user, approval group, approval action, approval coordinator, generate activity, manual approvals, rollback to. These are the approval activities. Next, I'm going to conditional activities. So what are the conditional activities we have? If condition, switch condition, wait for condition, wait for WF event condition. Okay, wait for WF event condition. From this, mostly we will use if condition and wait for condition workflow activities. Okay, these two activities we will use mostly. Next, notification activities. Create event activity, notification activity. Create event activity, workflow activity, and notification activity. Next, I'm going to task. I'm going to task. Create task. Here we have create task, and we also have catalog task. We also have catalog task. Two activities are we will use mainly here. Next, timers. We have timer activity. If we want to pause this particular workflow for some time, yes, we have to keep some time here. Okay, based upon that time duration we have given, it will pause the workflow. Okay. Next, utilities. If we go to the utilities, we are able to see branch, join, log message, log trace message, return value, run script, set value, turnstile, unlock. These are the utilities activities. Okay, utilities workflow activities. You can see in the notepad, I have already written. So you can see workflow activities, approvals, conditions, notifications, tasks, timers, utilities, subflows, on call, and service catalog. Okay. Yes. Again, each I have written each sub workflow activities. So you can say approval workflow activities contains approval group activity, approval user activity, approval action activity, approval coordinator activity, generate activity, manual approvals activity, rollback to activity. If we go to the condition activities, if, switch, wait for condition, wait for WF. Next, if we go to the notification activity, we have create event activity, we have notification activity. If we go to the task activities, create task, catalog task, attachment node, add work node. These are the activities. If we go to the timers activity, timer. Under utilities activities, we have branch, join, run script, set value, turnstile, log message, log trace message, return value, unlock. Okay, next, subflow activities. Parallel flow launcher. We have parallel flow launcher. With on-call workflow activity, service catalog workflow activity. And service catalog workflow activity, we have scriptable order guide. Okay, any queries with this workflow activities, please let me know till now. Any queries with this workflow activities? No? Okay, that's fine. Now you can see. So what are the workflow activities? So guys, here I have explained each and every workflow activity definitions. These are okay. And this URL contains the all workflow activities definitions. Yes, I'm copying this URL and I'm pasting here. You can see. My God, this URL is not working. It's okay. Wait. Back. Yes. So you can say workflow activities. This is the actual URL. I'm copying it and pasting here. Okay, this URL is not working right. I'm pasting here. So you can see what is the workflow activities will do. Workflow activity properties. Each workflow activity performs a different task, such as running a script, sending notifications, requesting approvals. Can succeed or fail. Okay. Yes, these are the workflow activities. If we click on this link, for example, I'm clicking on approval link, will show you the all approval workflow activities. Okay. So you can see what is approval action workflow activity. So you can say approval activities, approval and rollback activities, generate and manage the approvals. These are used to generate and manage the approvals. So what is approval action activity will do? The approval action activity performs an approval action on the current task. Approval coordinator activity creates an approval whose outcomes depends upon the outcomes of the one or more child activities. Approval group activity. The approval group activity creates a approval records for each member of a specified group. Approval user activity creates one or more individual user approvals. Generate activity. The generate activity immediately creates a task or approval records from any task or approval activity placed after generate activity within the workflow path. Manual approval activity watches and manages any approvals that users and manually outside of the workflow process. Rollback activity. If you want to resend approvals, we'll use the rollback activity. Okay. Yes. Any queries from approval user activities? Next, I'm going to conditional workflow activities. Wait. So I have noted down all these theory part here. You can see we have discussed approval activities. Next, conditional activities. So if condition, if it is a if condition, you can see. The conditional activities provides a conditional branching and logical operation functionality for workflows. Okay, logical operational functionality for workflows. If the activity, if activity checks for condition or step to determine if yes or no transition should be taken. Yes or no transition should be taken. Okay, if activity will check for the conditional steps. If activity will check for the conditional steps. Okay, fine. Next you can see wait for condition activity. The wait for condition activity causes the workflow to wait at this activity until the current record matches the specified condition. If you want to pause the workflow until your condition matches, we have to use wait for condition activity. Team, so basically whenever we are using all these workflow activities within the workflow, at that time we will get some knowledge, okay, instead of this theory part. Next, notification activities. What are the notification activities we have? The notification activity sends an email or SMS message to specified users or group. To specified users or group. The notification activity sends an email or SMS message to specified users or group. So basically we have two activities, create event activity. Create event activity will always trigger an event. Notification activity will always send a notification. Okay, next, task activities. Task activities, you can see task activities creates and modify a workflow task, creates and modify a workflow task. Okay, what will do? Create task, it will create a catalog, it will create a task record. Okay, catalog task, it will create a catalog task record. Okay, yes, catalog task creates a catalog task records on SC_ task table. Create task table activity will create a record on task table. Okay, timer activities. What will do the timer activity? The timer activity pauses the workflow for a specified period of time. If you want to keep your workflow pause for some time, we'll use the timer activity. Okay, next, utilities. Utilities activities. What we will do? Utility activities provides the controls over the path of workflow and other useful tools. Okay, utility activities provides controls over the path of the workflow and other useful tools. Okay, branch activity. What we will do? Branch activity. Branch activity splits the workflow into multiple transition paths from a single activity. From the single workflow activity, if you want to generate a multiple activities, we'll use branch. Join, the join activity. The join activity is used for like mixing multiple workflow activities into single workflow activity. Okay, run script. If you want to execute any script from the workflow, we'll use run script. Set value. If you want to set the any values, we'll use the set value. Turnstile. The turnstile activity limits how many times a workflow can pass through the same point. Okay, so if you want to restart, or if you want to execute workflow, some workflow activities multiple times, turnstile will tell us how many times we have to pass through that particular point. Okay. And on-call schedule, subflow, service catalog. So these are the workflow activities we will use in real time. Most of the workflow activities. Okay. So we will discuss these workflow activities again while practically doing the workflows. Okay. Any queries up to now? Any queries? Sangeeta, Ramakrishna, Naresh, Ramesh.
మామూలుగా ఇప్పుడు కండిషన్స్ లో ఇఫ్ అనో ఇంకోటి కండిషన్ ఉంది కదా,
Yes. Wait for condition.
అది లైక్ వైల్ కండిషన్ లాగా వెయిట్ ఫర్ ద కండిషన్ ఉంది.
Yes. Until the no while condition behavior is different. Okay. So wait for condition is it will stop the workflow until your condition matches. Okay, on the specified record. Got it? So for example, in the workflow, wait for condition activity, if you keep active equal to false on the instant table, okay, then it will wait until your instant record active false. Okay, while loop is different. So if you given the condition until that condition matches, it will execute. Here it is not like that. Okay. Yes. Any queries from the service catalog theory part and workflows theory part, please let me know. We'll discuss. We have almost 30 minutes time. And today I'm not taking any attendance because of today is Sunday. I'm so thankful to you for joining the classes on Sunday. Okay. Definitely, I will utilize this class for one or two more extra examples. Okay. Yes, you have any queries? You know.
క్వెరీస్ ఏం కాదులేండి, చిన్న క్లారిటీ. ఇప్పుడు వేరియబుల్స్ అంటే లైక్ మనం ఫార్మ్స్ లో యూజ్ చేసే ఫీల్డ్స్
Yeah, data types. Yes, variable types should be like data types. Yeah, variable should be we are calling as in the forms we are calling as field. Okay.
ఓకే అండి.
Okay. Yes. And so guys, once the service catalog concept is completed, I will send you the resumes. Okay, Jaysri, I hope yesterday you asked for the resumes. Okay. Yeah, maybe once this concept is completed, I will definitely send you. And so I have to send you one more time note, script include examples. Script include examples, I have to send assignment. 4, I have to send assignment. 2 also I have to send. And guys, everybody did OS storage 1. And I have given another one also, I don't remember. What are the mini projects I have given? OS storage management 1 only, right? Yeah, maybe today I will try to give maybe hospital management or Starbucks. Guys, these mini projects you have to complete by your own. So while you have any queries, please ping me. Okay.
ఓకే అండి.
Yes, this I have to forward today. I will definitely send you. So assignment 4 contains examples from script includes business rules, client scripts. Assignment 2 contains all service catalog item examples. Almost 25 catalog items are there. Okay. Starbucks is a mini project. I will send you today in the Google Drive. All I will send you Google Drive. Maybe this I will send you in the mail. Okay. Thank you all. So can we stop the class or you have any queries? Please let me know. Guys, so please prepare for theory part and practical. So if we have time and if you are interested, I will also take you the some mock interviews for the last 2 or 3 classes. For last 2 or 3 classes, I will take you mock interviews also. If you are interested, otherwise it's time waste. Okay. Generally, in starting of my classes, I will take the mock interviews also. So then after completing few batches, completing few batches, the students are not interested to attend the mock interviews. Okay, so that's why I stopped taking the mock interviews. So if anybody interested from any batch, so I'm only taking mock interviews for them. So if we attend the mock interviews within our classes, maybe I'm truly saying, so if you go to the interview, first interview, definitely you will not select. If you go to the second interview, definitely not select. Third interview, not select. Maybe if you don't have any attended and if you don't attended any interviews previously, okay, if you are not attended any interviews previously, maybe you don't have idea how to handle in the interviews. Apart from the technical part, maybe you don't have idea how to handle the interviews and all. So if you attend the mock interviews, you will get some knowledge. You will get some knowledge how to behave in the within the interview process and all. Okay. Yes, I already given the how to say introduction yourself, how to say roles and responsibilities, how to say day-to-day activities, and how to say about project. Okay, please try to learn all these things. Okay, and it will helpful for you. Next sample resumes also I have to say. So maybe I will
I think
try.
mostly dealing with HR members is really a
Yes,
task only in
yes,
interviews.
yes, yes. 1 minute, I'm stopping the recording.